Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? Really excited to bring you the fourth Section 8 rental from my client Cyrus in just as many months. Guys, Cyrus is a huge proponent of the BRRRR method. So he buys a lot of these units using cash. He's actually under contract right now for another one, his fifth unit, inside of half of a year. So he's absolutely killing it. There's no reason why so many of you who are watching this video can't follow in his footsteps. He's a fantastic person to model your portfolio after. I'm looking forward to getting him on the channel to talk a little bit about how he's been so successful in building a portfolio from 2,000 miles away as he lives out in California. So guys, I'm going to walk you through his house now. Like I said, it's his fourth Section 8 rental. It's a 3-bedroom, gonna bring in about $1,200 a month in guaranteed rent. We're in a really nice part of town. So the purchase price here was $58,000. Rehab here was $50,000. We've already done the roof. We've done a ton of exterior work already. Now we have a team inside that's taking care of all the interior work. They just got started. So we got the exterior stuff done first. Now we're going inside. We have a team in here right now taking care of some of the inside work. Now, being into this property for over $100,000, it's all about where you're investing, okay? There's never a number. People ask me all the time, they say, Rhett, if I'm gonna get into Section 8 rental property, do I have to be into it for under 100K? And the answer is, it totally depends where we're buying. On this street in particular, homes are comping at 125 to 155. So sure, it's fine to be into a property for over 100K. If you're buying on a street and every house on the street is worth $50,000-$60,000, you shouldn't be into a house for 100. So it's all about where you are. This house right here, we have a house next door that just sold for 160. We have a house on the other side that sold for 155. So we are in unbelievable shape, and this is going to be a great opportunity for Cyrus to do a cash out refinance, get a lot of his capital back, and keep it rolling. Okay, so guys, let's walk through this thing. I want to show you a little bit. We don't want to be in here too long, because we have a team in here working right now. I want to stay out of their way. I'm going to walk you through it though, just so you see a little bit about what's happening, what the layout looks like, and what a really nice Section 8 rental is going to look like. When it comes to teams, if you don't have people that you can rely on, I'm down here right now, it's a Friday afternoon, everybody else is leaving work. You need people here busting their butts for you to build your portfolio, especially when you're out of town. You have to have people you trust. You have to have work being done the way you expect it to be done. And you have to have the high standard that you set. You have to have that be met. It's extremely hard to do. If you want to use me and my team to do that and build your portfolios from abroad, send me an email in the description below and we'll get you started, okay? So guys, come on through here. So a lot of stuff going on here right now. We're gonna end up putting all new flooring throughout this whole house. Started on the paint work, started on the sheetrock and the drywall work. Really good sized living room. Electricians are coming in here in a little while as well to take care of and update a lot of the electrical here too. Really good sized living room though, really nice. So you guys can come through here. We have a nice little area and walk through here into bedroom number 1, okay? Guys, everything in here is really good size, okay? So we're in a nice area where every home is pretty big. As you can see, there are original hardwoods down here. Unfortunately, a lot of the hardwoods on the floor are pretty beat up. Some rooms are better than others, but the cost of sanding and refinishing it, only to have to sand it and refinish it again in a couple years from now, if it gets beat up, it's not really worth it to us. Another part about this hardwood floor is there's a lot of water damage in some areas of the house that have created it to be very soft. So a good percentage of the house, we have to tear it up and put new hardwoods down, which is one of the reasons why we're not going to do it, okay? So guys, moving through bedroom number 1 into bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, again, good size. We are on a hill, as you guys can see. We're pretty high up right now, which is pretty cool. Every house on the street is built into the hillside. It's a really aesthetic look for the street as well. Really nice set of stairs coming up, own personal driveway for whoever moves in here and a garage. So really good again, bedroom number 2. is also a good size, so we're gonna have no problem renting this thing out. Bathroom in here. Now, of course, this will be done. Beat up, old, nothing, nothing that we're not used to seeing, and something we'll definitely clean up and take care of. Bedroom number 3, guys. Same thing, good size, nice layout. Something I like about this, the layout of this home too, is everything's kind of nice and spread out. You don't feel like you're in one little hallway going from one bedroom to the next. You have a nice little area in here where you have bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, your bathroom, and bedroom number 3. And it's all a nice flowing layout, which is good. We talk about it all the time. Tenants have to choose your unit. What is going to set you apart? What is going to create the draw to your unit instead of someone else's? And you have to keep that stuff in mind when you're buying the stuff, okay? Guys, coming through here, we have a nice entry. Now, of course, all new doors are going here. But coming from the kitchen into this bedroom, which is nice as well. And we have our kitchen. Nice size kitchen in here, okay? Room for a kitchen table, all your appliances, and everything else that you're gonna need. Of course, we'll do new light fixtures. Everything in here will be taken care of as well. Obviously, only electrical outlets will go in. Update the windows where they need to be taken care of, and just take care of this entire unit the way that it should be. Guys, stuff like this is great because you're adding a ton of value to units like this. And I love coming here and seeing clients' units during these transformations, because buying units like this, these are the units that are affordable. We don't want to pay top dollar and buy premium stuff. Now we can, and all day long, if you don't want to do big rehabs like this, I totally, completely understand. And we can buy things that are turnkey. But if you're gonna buy value add properties, to use the Burr method, this is a fantastic example. We buy in a good area, on a good street, for a low price, and do a good size rehab where we can totally transform this entire unit. It's not that hard, guys, if you do it with the right people, okay? If you wanna get started, we can do it. Send me an email in the description below. We'll see you next time.